In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an email in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to write your message now and have Outlook send it at the perfect time, automatically. First, open Outlook from your desktop. Give it a moment to load, and make sure everything looks familiar on your home screen. If you're not signed in yet, log in so Outlook can access your account and send messages on your behalf. Once you're in, you're ready to draft your email. Compose your message just like you normally would. Add your recipient in the To field, include a clear subject line, and write your message in the body. If you're scheduling something important, keep the subject concise and descriptive so it's easy to recognize later. This is also a great time to attach any files, add links, or format your text. A quick tip: double-check the recipients, especially if you're emailing across teams or time zones, and make sure any attachments are included before you schedule. When your email looks good, find the Send button. Instead of clicking it right away, look for the small drop-down arrow next to Send. Click that arrow to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, choose Schedule Send. Depending on your version of Outlook, this may be labeled Send Later. Both options do the same thing. They let you pick a specific time for your email to go out. Next, choose when you want the message delivered. You can pick one of the suggested times if they fit your needs, or select custom time to set a specific date and time. If your recipients are in another time zone, consider setting it for a time that's within their working hours to increase the chance your message gets noticed. Take a moment to review the time and date you've selected so it matches your plan. Once your time is set, click Send. Don't worry, your email won't go out immediately. Outlook will place it in the Drafts folder and hold it there until the scheduled time. That's your confirmation that the schedule is active. You can open the message from Drafts to review it, and Outlook will take care of sending it at the exact time you chose. And that's it. You've composed your message, scheduled it confidently, and set yourself up to communicate at the right moment without needing to be at your desk. This simple workflow helps you plan ahead, respect your recipient's time, and keep your communication polished and timely.